Hello you guys, it's Karina. Welcome back to my channel. I have a fun project share for you guys. This is actually some outgoing happy mail that I'll be sending to my pen pal Louise. The first thing that I plucked out is this adorable little carrot bag. And inside I filled it with a bunch of these Lindor chocolate eggs. Next up, I do have a few wrapped gifts. I think I remember what's in here. So first, look at this cute wrapping paper. It's so pretty. This has paper clips that I got from Michael's. I also wrapped this gift in this beautiful wrapping paper. And this has some flowers that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. In this one, I have these butterfly charms that I hauled, which I know she's gonna love. I included this cute little bunny ornament, also from Hobby Lobby. I created these banner embellishments. I did layer them up a little bit. Added some pom-poms, butterflies. I used some of my stamps for the sentiments. I made this bag using some napkins and my laminator. I sewed the edges with some gold thread, and on this end I added a little tassel out of some yarn, this charm tassel and bow charm. Oh, I have hot Cheeto fingers. Embarrassing. Don't mind that. I made her these bow embellishments using two different ribbons from my stash. I picked up the checkered ribbons from Hobby Lobby, and I love that they have all these colors. It matched perfectly with my swap. And then I also used a second thinner ribbon to create another bow, and I added a matching pearl in the center. I love these layered bows. I think they turned out super cute. I made her another bag using some napkins. This cute napkin is from, I think I got it at Marshall's. I love the little scalloped edge, and it's dipped in some gold. Thought that was cute. And I just added a little clip with some ephemera pieces just to decorate it a little bit. And inside here I added 3 flowers, and this is a lawn fawn die. I made more handmade embellies. It's a birdhouse embellishment. This is a lawn fawn die. I made her a memory dex card. I always have to add one of these in my packages, but I really loved how this one turned out. It's super cute. Here's an example of how I used one of my bow embellishments. I decorated this glassine bag using a cut apart from the paper pad that I'm using. Well, not a cut apart, I fussy cut this from one of the pattern papers. Added some butterflies, happy Easter, and I made a little bow for the bunny. Inside here I made 4 bottle cap embellishments. I haven't made these in forever, but I really love how these ones turned out. Again, very layered, super cute. And I'm just using a bunch of different dies, punches, stamps, stickers from my stash. In this adorable little carrot container, I included one of those jars from Joann's that have the flower clay bits. It's one of the ones that I hauled. Hopefully you guys can kind of see it, but I added some shred in there so it doesn't move around in here since it is a glass jar. I made this tag flip, which looks like this. I forgot the name of these. Is it called like bobbin, where you add like the thread? But I am using one of my dies that creates this tag. I'll call it a tag for now. And I just decorated the cover. I cut a thin piece of paper and I wrapped it around to act like the thread. I thought that was a cute little idea, and it wraps like that. I made a little shaker in the center, and I fussy cut this bunny from one of the papers and glued it on top. Made a bow, and I put a pearl in the middle. I try to keep it a little on the simpler side. And in here, I just included a bunch of different trims from my stash. I made her this set of potted flower embellishments. I also made this tag, which says, "If friends were flowers, I'd pick you." I thought that was really cute. This is a Tim Holtz pot die, and I just added a bunch of different flowers from my stash. I know these ones are from Hobby Lobby. And I also included two, that way she can decorate herself. This is one of my favorites. I made a little dainty embellishment book. This is a AliExpress die. I'll link it in the description box. But this is how I decorated the cover. I think it turned out super adorable. So I made her two bouquet flowers. Aren't they just so darling? I love them. Two of these cute little geese, two of these adorable little bunnies. This one is a I have the die right here, which is perfect. It's this one right here. It's by Sizzix. The designer is Lisa Jones, and the SKU number is 664357. And in the back, I die cut out these eggs, and I backed it up with some foam for dimension. In these two glassine bags, I added some of the napkins that I used to create my bags, and I'll be sharing some with her. I also cut one of the little lambs to create this ephemera. Same with this bunny right here. And I added a little bow to her. So that's another way she can use these. I think they turned out super cute. In here, I added the pocket letter that I did share in one of my previous videos. So if you guys want to see how this turned out, it's super cute. I will link the video in the description box. It's such a cute pocket letter. It's one of my favorites. So I did make that for her. And this adorable little sack, what did I put in here? I almost forgot. Oh, I added this adorable little plate. This one is from Hobby Lobby. It has a cute little bunny in the middle with a ballerina skirt on. So I just wrapped it in some bubble wrap, and then I also used some crinkle paper. So hopefully it makes it there safe. Love these bags. I got these at Crafts Warehouse. Got a few more things, you guys. So in these 2 bags, these are from Michaels. I got them on clearance. This one is a silky texture. I try not to decorate it that way she can reuse these. So in here, I'm gifting her a pack of these wooden stamps. It has 4 different butterflies. And this one, it has another pack of those wooden stamps, but this one has cute little critters on them. I love this bunny. I did buy one for myself, and it's actually the little bunny that I use for the center of this embellishment. I just colored it in, and I think it looks super cute. So I wanted to share that with her as well. I created these 2 little boxes. This one has a bunch of trim and ribbon from my stash that I'll be sharing with her. And I love how I decorated these little boxes. I did add some acetate on the cover. And then again, using that adorable bunny. In this little box, oh, I should mention this is a Sizzix Tim Holtz die. And I forget the name of it. It's the one that I used to make some of my shadow boxes. It's this one here, which is called Curio Box. The SKU number is 664419. It's one of the really long dies. I don't remember where I picked this up, but I absolutely love it. Next up, I also will be gifting her this adorable egg container, and it matches with all of the things that I'll be gifting her, like the cute little plate, because it also has an adorable bunny. And in here, I'll be gifting her some of these Nuvo sequins, which I also did a haul on recently. I got these at Crafts Warehouse before they closed. Such a pretty color. It fits perfectly in here. In here, I did gift her some of these cookies that I got from Target. I asked her what are her favorite treats. She did say she loves strawberry flavored things, so I found these and I thought it'd be perfect for her. I did recycle this egg carton, and I did paint the carton white and then did a lot of decorating at the top. So I used shimmer pink paper for the first layer, and I did do some sewing around the paper in some gold thread. Used a pattern paper, a doily, this cut apart, and made a flower cluster. Added butterflies, of course, and then some cute little egg stickers that coordinate with this paper pad. I just think it's adorable. I added a bow to hold it down. I added Velcro dots. So in here I have a bunch of little fun goodies, some that were gifted to me in previous swaps, and also things for my stash. In here, I think there's butterfly acrylic little pieces in here. And this one, I have, okay, now I gotta open it because I really don't remember. Oh, some of these bunny heads and little chocolates. Okay, since I'm showing you guys what's in this one, I might as well open this one too so you guys can see. Oh no. Okay, so I was wrong. I have a bunch of these little pieces in here. I don't know what to call these. I have this adorable tulip punch. Carrots. Robin eggs, some of these mini ones as well that I got from Hobby Lobby. These would be so cute to make a shadow box with. These cute little fuzzy bunnies are also from Hobby Lobby. I have these cute little chick, little pom-pom and belly. And in this one, I have some of these cute bunnies from Hobby Lobby. This last one has, I can open it, these cute little butterflies. Rhonda did share these with me, and I have a bunch, so I'm gonna pass it over to Louise so she can enjoy as well. Alright, so that is the last thing that I have to share. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone!